Hello viewers, first we change the grid color, display grid option, change the axis color, apply and close, create a surface plane and rotate X 90 degree. Change the number of subdivision, width and height. Show the poly count option. Here is 8 edges. Create another plane and rotate X 90 degree. And saves the subdivision width height and also decrease the size. Select both plane, freeze transformation, history relate and combine. Here is two different plane. One is a small size, another is big size. The big size plane edge number is 8 and a small size plane edge number is 4. How we can bridge them? If we want to bridge them, we should make the similar edge in this both plane. For this, in the big size plane, I merge these three vertices and make into one vertices. Now, in the big size plane, edge number is 4. So, select these similar edges and bridge them. Delete these edges and make it quad. Move the vertices. Select and make freeze transformation, history delete. Select these 4 faces, extrude it, extrude on center, change the offset value, right click and make circularize component, change the radial offset value, and extrude again, extrude on center, change the local translate value, insert a edge on center, select this edge and bevel it, change the fraction value, select the faces, and extract it. Select this part and drop into layer, invisible this layer. Select these edges. Now bridge. Here change the taper and twist value and increase number of division. and also sense a curve type curve. So here it is. Create a cube, scale it, insert an edge on center, select the edge and bevel it, change the fraction value, select these two edges and move it a little bit, select faces, and extrude it, extrude on center, increase the number of division, change the offset value, extrude again, click on center button, increase number of division and change local translate value, now assign a favorite material blend, change the color value, now press 3 for smoothing, insert a supporting edge. For this, insert edge tool option, check the multiple edge loops and set the number of edges and insert on the bow. Now press 3 for smoothing, select the corner of the edge, bevel it, change the fraction value and increase the number of segment to. Now insert an edge for making this quad. Now press 3 for smoothing. Select these vertices. Press B, click on tool settings and change the smoothing value and move it a little bit. Now press 3. Now select the other corner edge of the bow and bevel it. Now insert an edge for making this chord. Now we have created a bow very easily. Create a cylinder and change the subdivision axis, height and caps and resize it. Scale it, go to vertices mode, select these vertices and try to make a customized shape that I want. insert an edge on center. Select these vertices, scale it a little bit. Select these vertices, scale a little bit. Select this edge and delete. Select a multi-cut tool and check on edge flow and insert again. Select these edges, bevel it, change the fraction value. And increase the number of segment to assign new fabric material blend. Now select these edges for I want to cut this part from here and separate it. Now bevel it, change the fraction and increase the number of segment to select this center edge. Right click to faces, extrude it, extrude on center, change the offset value a little bit, extrude it again, change the local translate value minus. I want to set this face selection. Now create set option box, separate face, apply and close. I save this face selection because after some time we reuse it. For this I save this face selection. Now select the corner of the edges, bevel it, change the fraction value, increase the number of segment to. Now add some subdivision with multi-cut tool to make it quad. Now press 3 and see it. Now add some subdivision with multi-cut tool for making this corner sharper. Select the edge, delete it, insert another edge, and create another hole on the top of the part for this. Select these two face, extrude it, extrude on center, increase the number of division, change the offset value, extrude again, extrude on center, change the local translate value minus, select the corner of the edges, bevel it, change the fraction value, and also increase the number of segment. Now add some subdivision edge with multi-cut tool to make it quad. Now press 3 and see it. Select right click and make it smooth. Now select this object and check it quad or not. Now select this object, right click, clean up, apply to ensure this object quad or not. This object is quad. Select the object and soften edge. Now here is a nice hole on this top part. Now create a cube and scale it. Select the faces. And extrude it extrude on center, keep face together off, change the offset value, and extrude again, extrude on center, change the local transit value, select the top face and extrude again, change the offset value, and extrude inside again, change the local translate value, now select the outer edges and create bevel, Ctrl+B, change the fraction, number of segment 2, and the depth value is -2. Now change the cube color, right click, assign favorite material, blend, right click, material attribute, go to the color change option and change the color value. Create the bevel other side also. Now insert edge on center, create a cylinder and resize the cylinder and move it to corner of the cube. Active snap to points, rotate it and change the gizmo orientation. Press D and hold Ctrl and click on the edge, then move it. And move the pivot point on center. Duplicate the cylinder and rotate it, then Shift D for duplicate.